And here we are at the Orlando Science Center. I'm joined with Kevin right now. And Kevin, we're not doing anything too difficult today, just, rocket science.
Exactly, yeah. So we're going to be talking, first of all, about the fire triangle and what the components are for making a combustion at all. So generally, for any combustion, you need 3 components, and only ever 3 components. So those components are very, very simple. The first thing is a fuel source. So inside this container here, we have a really, really cool substance that we like to call chemical X. Essentially, it's just a really, really flammable liquid down here at the bottom. We only need a little tiny bit of it. The next thing that we need is, of course, a source of ignition. So today I'm using modern technology, but you could use anything that is going to create a little bit of heat to spark this combustion. The next thing that we'll need is in the air all around us is the oxygen that is going to fuel our flame, essentially. So as soon as I light this, what we call a fire jug, this is going to light on fire first, and then almost immediately the whole thing will sort of waterfall down, and a big sort of plume of flame will pop up out of the top. It'll be pretty intense, and it's going to happen really, really quick.
All right, so don't blink is what you're telling me.
Exactly, yeah.
Cool.
All right, here we go. Fire jug going up in 3, 2, 1.
That was awesome. I was scared for a quick second, but it happened in the blink of an eye. A
Exactly.
flash, literally.
Yeah, very cool stuff. So that's our fire triangle at work there. We see all 3 of our components working together to create that combustion. It's very, very cool. If we think about Newton's third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction.
There we go.
Of course, yeah. We have all of this energy happening from a chemical reaction. It's being forced out of this tiny little tube at the top here. So we have a whole bunch of energy down here, and that force is coming out of this tiny tube, and that is creating a bunch of pressure that is pushing downwards on this fire jug here. If I were to flip this over, turn it upside down, and light it on fire, this sort of looks like a rocket, right? And so this is how we get out into space. We use containers like this, rockets, to sort of contain our fuel and make use of that force when we're doing chemical reactions.
So if anybody at home wants to see this, where can they go to find out more information?
Yes, so you can go to osc.org and check out our calendar to find out what's going on here at the Science Center at any given day.
And what's specifically happening through the month of July?
The month of July is Astronomy Month, so check out if you want to hear more information directly about rocket science, astronomy, space, all of that amazing stuff. Definitely come to Astronomy Month.
So July is a huge month here at the Orlando Science Center. Of course, we do have Astronomy Month going on, but we also have AstroFest on the 20th and the 21st, and I'm hoping to see you all here.